Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Today, let's practice simple English at home. Today, let's practice simple English at home. This is my home. This is my home. My home is small and comfortable. My home is small and comfortable. I live here with my family. I live here with my family. This is the living room. This is the living room. We sit here and relax. We sit here and relax. This is the kitchen. This is the kitchen. I cook food in the kitchen. I cook food in the kitchen. This is the bedroom. This is the bedroom. I sleep and rest here. I sleep and rest here. This is the bathroom. This is the bathroom. I wash my hands and face here. I wash my hands and face here. This is the dining area. This is the dining area. We eat meals together here. We eat meals together here. My house has many rooms. My house has many rooms. Each room has a purpose. Each room has a purpose. I clean my house every day. I clean my house every day. A clean home feels nice. A clean home feels nice. I feel safe in my home. I feel safe in my home. Home is a special place. Home is a special place. Do you like your home? Do you like your home? Speak slowly and clearly. Speak slowly and clearly. See you in the next lesson. See you in the next lesson.